Ever wondered how much caffeine is really in your cup of Sencha tea? In this video, you'll explore the caffeine content of Sencha tea, a popular Japanese green tea known for its unique flavor and health benefits. Many tea drinkers are confused about how much caffeine is actually in Sencha tea compared to coffee and other teas, leading to questions about its effects. This confusion is understandable, given the varying information available online. The good news is that, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of Sencha tea's caffeine content. So, let's dive in and uncover the truth. Sencha tea does contain caffeine, but in smaller amounts compared to coffee. The factors that influence the caffeine levels in Sencha tea are leaf processing, brewing time, and water temperature. For instance, the way Sencha leaves are processed can affect how much caffeine is released during brewing. Brewing time and water temperature also play significant roles. If you brew your Sencha tea for a longer time or use hotter water, more caffeine will be extracted. Compared to other common beverages, Sencha tea generally has less caffeine than coffee, but might have more than some herbal teas. The average caffeine content per serving of Sencha tea is about 20 to 30 milligrams, which can vary based on the factors mentioned earlier. What's surprising is that this amount is relatively low, making Sencha a great choice for those looking to reduce their caffeine intake. However, it's essential to note that individual tolerance to caffeine varies, and some people might still experience effects from this amount. The variation in caffeine content might change how viewers enjoy their tea, especially if they're sensitive to caffeine. Recap the main points about Sencha tea's caffeine content and its implications for daily consumption and health considerations. To sum it up, Sencha tea has a moderate amount of caffeine, which is lower than coffee, but can still impact those sensitive to it. If you have any experiences with Sencha tea or questions about its caffeine content, share them in the comments below. We'd also love to hear about other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.